At least 5 bodies have been recovered in southwest Jamaica. This as the search and rescue teams begin now to work their way to the hardest hit areas on the heels of Hurricane Melissa. Across the Caribbean, the storm is blamed for at least 28 deaths today, and that number is expected to rise. Our Jason Allen in Montego Bay to give us a close look at the cleanup.
On the muddy streets of Montego Bay, a man takes a rest from cleaning up Hurricane Melissa's destruction. 2 days after the storm made landfall on the island, thousands are still without power and working to figure out next steps.
I just want to get things to come back to normal.
Jamaica's prime minister says Melissa's winds tore the roofs off 90% of homes in the town of Black River, calling it ground zero. On this drive to Montego Bay, the trees keep grabbing our attention. The winds up here in the tops of the mountains just shredded all the leaves off of them. Even some of the palm trees are just a trunk now. Schools have been destroyed. Homes and businesses turned into rubble. Still, the focus for many is on moving forward.
I think the entire Jamaica is really broken because of what has happened. But we remain resilient. We are working to get to those who need as much assistance as possible.
Jamaica's international airports are resuming operations, allowing relief organizations like Global Empowerment Mission to fly in supplies.
Immediate need is always going to be basic living necessities. That's why we have those family boxes. It has food for a week and water. You know, we have 10,000 tarps ordered, and there's probably 50,000 or more roofs that are damaged. Everybody's going to need a generator to be able to survive.
Residents in eastern Cuba are also facing a massive recovery effort. And in Haiti, catastrophic flooding in one town is blamed for at least 20 deaths. This man says he lost 4 children, ages 8, 7, 3, and the youngest just a month old. Jason Allen, CBS News, Montego Bay, Jamaica.